Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 about putting an oval shape that you're going to cut out on a 20-inch circle. If you didn't watch the first one, you'll be a little bit confused, but I said in the first video that there were 81 of these because you don't really have any control. I would take one from the pretty much top dead center and move it out of the way. We can go ahead and delete all these. Let's get our 20-inch circle back. With my ratio locked, I just have to put in one number. I'm going to hit P. So now we have our shape, and I'm going to select it. I'm going to hit the plus key on the keyboard. I'm going to move it over, and then I'm going to select them both. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend. And we've got 2, and we want 20. So you only have to do 18 of them, because 18 copies basically, plus the 2 will give you 20, and hit Apply. And then go right down here to New Path, put it on your circle. Now you can see that they're not even and they're not turned. So select Blend Along Full Path and Rotate All Objects. Now what you would need to do is select it all, go up to Object and break the blend apart and take away your circle. Now you have 20 oblong holes, and you could have made them longer, shorter, equally spaced out along this disc. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.